Welcome to the full course of sensitivity analysis in Excel. This is Mohammed speaking. I will be your instructor for the full course. After this course, you will be able to do sensitivity analysis in Excel on your own for your business and financial models. In this course, we will cover all the features and methods needed to do sensitivity analysis in Excel in 5 different videos. And the course contents are goal seek, scenario manager, data tables, custom conditional formatting, tornado graphs. The goal seek is usually used for calculating a certain scenario in a business. The scenario manager is mainly used for calculating best, worst, and average cases of a business. The data table is very important. It is heavily used for the sensitivity analysis by the analysts. And this is two types, one and two variable data tables. After that, we have the custom conditional formatting. This feature is needed for conditionally formatting our data tables. If the data table is very large, we need to find our critical values for the business to make decisions. And finally, we have tornado graphs for visually representing our sensitivity analysis. So this is the end of this video. We'll start the actual analysis from the next video. Before starting that video, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and colleagues who are eager to learn sensitivity analysis. So thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.